Hello there, Amanda here. I want to make this a pretty short video. I have a couple resources to talk about today, but last month I did a video on free homeschooling resources, and it was very well received. And based on the number of people tuning into that video, it's quite obvious to me that people need to know about these free resources. So I have taken it upon myself to do the research for you, to go out and find as many websites as I can that offer free homeschool resources, free printables, free unit studies, and I want to bring that to you. I've had a very busy week, so this video is not going to be extremely long because I only have a couple things to show you, but I promise what I have to show you is good. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get started. I think I have 4 to show you today. So the first thing that I have is from themeasuredmom.com, and I will leave all the links in the description. I just printed all these things out the last couple of days, so they're not cut out or anything or prepared in any way. If that's something that you'd like to see, also maybe, you know, if I go through and print out a bunch of stuff, and if you want to see how those get used or how I prepare them or whatever, I could do that. It's just I've been busy, so the videos have been kind of, I don't want to say that they've been put on the back burner. I'm just not going to spend as much time preparing all of my videos, so it might be a little, I might have less videos going out just for now. Okay, so the first thing is this Fall Into Reading, and what it is it's a board game, and it's editable. So I actually filled all these in myself in the Adobe Reader program, and you go through and you read each word, and if you land on a picture, then you pull a card, you draw a card, which also is included. And this was auto-filled in for me when I filled this in. So for each word that I filled in, after, I think it says, 5 or 6 words go on each board, or simply let them autofill after you've typed words in the editable fields on the board game. So all of these words are actually, we're doing The Good and the Beautiful's Language Arts Level 1, and we're on Unit 3, I believe. So I just took the spelling list from Unit 3 and I used that. So maybe one time we'll play this and she'll just read the words. Maybe one time I'll have her spell words, you know, we'll like maybe cover it up, let her read it and then cover it up and see if she can remember to spell it. And it's fall themed, so that's why it worked out. This is editable, so I plan to just continue to do this maybe every unit, do the same thing, just change out the words. So that's very cool. That is from The Measured Mom. Again, so I'll cut these apart, and I won't laminate them or anything because it's going to be a short-lived kind of thing. You know, we're going to do this for a couple weeks and then move on to another set of words. So, all right, the next thing I have is also from The Measured Mom. This is, the front page is instructions and answer key. This is Mystery Dog. Guess the Mystery Dog. So here's a set of pictures of dogs, and then you have these different cards. And so for each card, you're going to guess what the mystery dog is that they mention on the card. So the first one says, the dog does not have a collar. Here, let me see if I can, so you can play along. Is that gonna work? The dog does not have a collar. The dog's tail is showing. The dog has short ears. The dog is gray. So, and then what's the mystery dog? And there are 10 cards with different questions on it. And this is not necessarily right in line with anything that we're learning about right now, but it's fun. And it's like logic puzzles, kind of. So that'll be cool for her. Again, that was from The Measured Mom as well. So the first 2 were from The Measured Mom. Now I think I have 2 from This Reading Mama. All right, so the first thing that I have is a lot. Okay. It's a lot of pages, and they're only one-sided. However, this is incredible, and I think it will last a very long time. So this is Homophone Blackout. So the boards, you have the boards first, and each section has a dividing page that tells you like how to use it. So I have this Band-Aid on my thumb, so I can't turn the pages. Okay, so these are the boards, and it's like sort of like a bingo board, you know, and there are a couple pages of just the boards. And I think the color of the word is important because later on, these are also colored, so these are blue. So maybe those go with the blue blackout board, maybe. So there are quite a few pages of the boards. Okay, then the teacher cards, and it tells you what to do with the teacher cards. And these are colored. So these are all the teacher cards. Set 2, 3, okay. Goes to the teacher cards. Then there's the student cards, and it tells you how to use the student cards. Looks to me like the teacher cards are like answers or something. There's an underlined word on each of these, and that underlined word is actually a blank spot on the student cards, right? So it's like the student card has the blank spot, but the teacher card has the word filled in there, like an answer sheet. So there are all those sections, the student cards, the teacher cards, and the blackout boards. Now, these are colored. There was an option in the download. There was an option to also do just black and white, which is okay. I could have done that, but there was already so much black in this that I didn't mind using a little color ink. So, Homophone Blackout. We're learning about homophones right now. This will be great. Also, we're going to be learning about them for years to come. This will help. The next thing that I have here, again, is from This Reading Mama, and it is this fall shadow match. Very simple. I think my daughter's just going to fly right through it, so I'm probably just going to give her one page at a time because there's 3 pages. And she's probably past this point right now, but I like to give her really easy, fun things every once in a while so it doesn't feel like she's always struggling with her work. Okay, now the next thing I have is from the Art Kit blog. So this is Pin the Bee on the Beehive. And it's just 2 sheets. Bees, beehive. Bees, beehive. And it's cute. We're really into bees. So that's just fun. That's the only thing I got from the art kit for today. And the last thing I have is this gratitude pack from Not Consumed. I was under the impression that Not Consumed was like a storefront, like you bought everything from the website. But that's not the case. They have an entire section of printables, free printables. So it's definitely worth checking out, and their stuff's really beautiful. I just printed this one thing out because it's kind of a lot. And I don't want to just print out piles and piles of things that we'll never get to. So this is the last thing that I have printed for now. This gratitude pack has a scavenger hunt, and I guess you draw the pictures for the little kids, they draw pictures. A thankful journal. I am thankful for who God is. I'm thankful for what God made me to be. I'm thankful for what God created. So lots of pages of being thankful. And then this is a Bible verse coloring page, I guess. There's 2 of those. And then thank you cards. So you can send out thank you cards. So it says, Dear blank, I am thankful for you because, and then a spot to write why you're thankful for that person. Then a gratitude list, name, what I'm thankful for, and date delivered. Oh, okay. Thanksgiving Bible verses. So these are cute. I really like these. We'll just be able to cut these out. And these would definitely be something that I would want to keep long term for years to come. So I'd probably laminate them. It's just the 1 page worth. And then Thankful Hymn Puzzle Hunt. Not really sure what a puzzle hunt is, but it sounds to me like we have to put these in order because it's 2 pages of words. All right, and that's it. So this was what, 1, 2, 3, 4 different websites that offer completely free homeschool resources. And it doesn't have to be homeschool either. If you have a child in some other form of school, public school, private school, you can still use these things for fun or for, you know, reinforcing different things, or maybe during summertime. These don't have to be just for homeschool. It's just for those of us that do homeschool. It's especially nice to know that we don't have to pay for every single thing that we're using to instruct our children. I will leave all the links down below, and I do have lists, very long lists of so many great websites. So I will definitely do this again. I'm thinking I want to try to make sort of a series out of this so that it's not, you know, you're not watching like a 30-minute long video every single time. And I think I might want to put one out maybe once a month. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned. In the next month, I will hopefully have another video just like this for you.